Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can speed up music or audio in Canva. So in here, if you want to add audio into your Canva design but you want to speed it up or shorten it by make it faster, you can unfortunately you cannot do that directly on Canva. So what you need to do here is use a third-party app. So if you have the audio on the Canva, if you want to use the audio in Canva, here you can just download it first as a design and convert it into mp3 and then find an mp3 editing on your browser. But here, since I want to use audio from my computer, I'm going to just start by opening a new tab in here and find audio speed changer. Okay, you can see there are lots of tools to speed up or slow down songs. So I'm going to use this one, mp3 cutter. Now you can just click on open a file or drop the mp3 files in here. I'm going to, for example, use this audio right here. You can click on open. Now you can adjust the speed. If you want to speed it up, you can just it like this. I'm going to make it 3 times faster. So just adjust it how you like it. Okay, now it's 3 times faster. You can now just tap on save. It will encoding a little and you can just click on save. Now my speed of the mp3 has been saved. You can just open the Canva design again. You can just drop the audio files to your design just like this and it will be added. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.